Hello, today I will show you how to make this folding exercise. So first you'll need a piece of paper, and you'll want to fold it into a perfect square, which means taking this one flap and folding it to the edge of the paper. If you have holes in your paper like mine, you'll want to fold it to the place or the edge where the holes don't come. Then you want to crease the fold, or press it down, and you'll want to cut that triangle out. But you don't want to cut the edge of the crease, so that when you unfold it, it will turn into a perfect square. When you've got your triangle, you can unfold it and turn it into your perfect square. Then we can get started. So you can fold it again on the crease that we already made. And take one edge flap and fold it to the edge of the crease, like so. You do it with the other side also. When you've done that, you can start to map out the places you would like to fold the top. So I'm going to draw the folds out for you before I fold them so that you can see them better. So I'm going to put the first fold right there. The second fold right there. And the third fold right there. And for now we're only doing 3 folds. You want to make sure they're parallel and slanted. And then we're going to fold them. Make sure the creases are exactly where you planned. And you're just going to flatten that fold out. Do the second one. And the third one. And just flatten all the creases out. So they make a shape like this. So after that you want to open the paper. And I'm going to mark where the folds are, just so that you can see them. So your fold should look something like this. And we're going to start popping them in. So we're going to press or up to make a mountain with our fingers on the back of the paper. So a trick that I like while making mountains is you can sort of halfway fold one of the creases up and then recrease it or run your nails along it to make it a really good fold, and then it will stick up on its own like a mountain. And so then you get a really easy mountain. And as you can see, the paper seems to be going up a slope to make a mountain on that crease. So now we'll start making a valley on the next crease. Make sure that your creases that you already did always stay either mountains or valleys while you're doing the next crease. One of the things that I like to do with valleys is I like to turn the paper around and make a mountain on that crease. And when you turn the paper back around, it's a valley and not a mountain. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, when you fold it over, you can see that it sort of goes down a slope from our first crease into a valley. I'm gonna go ahead and redefine the first crease just to make sure. Precautions. Okay. So now that we've gotten that, we're gonna go ahead to the third crease. And we're gonna make another mountain. So as you can see, if you turn the paper around, you kind of see the paper going up and then down, and a mountain and then a valley, and then we're gonna make another mountain. So now we're just gonna sort of push the paper together to create a fold going up, and then we're gonna crease that fold so that it stays up. So when you've done that, you've got all your folds, and you can sort of see that the paper is going up and then down and then up again. So thank you for watching. Your paper should look like this or like this. It's a much better example. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you figured this out.